Hey guys, in this video, we're going to be checking out the top 5 best home pizza maker machines that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Coming in at number 5 is the Piazzano 14-inch extra-large crispy crust pizza oven by Granitestone. This model is designed for families or anyone who wants to make larger pizzas at home, thanks to its 14-inch cooking surface made of natural ceramic stone. The stone ensures even heat distribution, giving your pizzas that authentic stone-baked texture. It heats up to 800 degrees Fahrenheit, which is significantly higher than most conventional ovens, allowing you to achieve a crispy crust in under 6 minutes. The design of this unit is sleek and functional, with suction cups on the bottom to keep it stable during use. It also comes with helpful accessories like 2 wooden pizza paddles and a scraper, which make handling and cleaning up a breeze. However, its larger size might take up more counter space, so it's ideal for kitchens with ample room. Performance-wise, the high heat and dual heating zones allow for a perfectly cooked pizza, whether you prefer a soft crust or a crunchy base. The adjustable heat control gives you the flexibility to bake different styles of pizza or even other flatbreads. The downside is that the price isn't listed, making it harder to gauge its value compared to the competition. Additionally, while the large size is great for families, it might be overkill for singles or couples. Overall, this is a fantastic option if you need a large, high-performance pizza oven for regular use. It's best suited for pizza enthusiasts who want to replicate pizzeria-style results at home. At number 4, we have the Betty Crocker Countertop Pizza Maker, a budget-friendly option that delivers a lot of versatility for its price. This pizza maker isn't just for pizzas. Its 12-inch non-stick cooking surface doubles as a griddle, panini press, and even an omelet maker. It's a compact, lightweight appliance, perfect for small kitchens or dorm rooms. One of its standout features is how quickly it heats up, allowing you to whip up a pizza in minutes without needing to preheat an oven. In terms of design, the Betty Crocker Pizza Maker sports a vibrant red finish, which adds a pop of color to your countertop. The non-stick surface makes cleanup a breeze, and its compact size means it's easy to store when not in use. While it doesn't have the high-temperature capabilities of some of the other models on this list, it achieves satisfactory results for casual pizza lovers. The crust comes out evenly cooked, and the toppings heat through nicely. However, don't expect the crispy, stone-baked texture of premium options. The biggest selling point here is its price. At just $41.53, it's incredibly affordable, making it a great choice for anyone on a tight budget. However, the lower price does mean fewer advanced features and less heat control. If you're looking for a simple, reliable pizza maker that can do a bit of everything, this is an excellent choice. It's perfect for beginners or occasional pizza nights with family and friends. At number 3, we have the Chefman Everything Maker and Pizza Oven. As the name suggests, this isn't just a pizza maker. It's an all-in-one solution for a variety of cooking tasks. From quesadillas to omelets and even pancakes, this versatile machine is a true multitasker. It features a 12-inch non-stick cooking surface, which is perfect for pizzas and other dishes. The unit heats up quickly, reaching a maximum temperature of 428 degrees Fahrenheit, which is great for achieving crispy crusts and evenly cooked toppings. The design of the Chefman Everything Maker is sleek and modern, with a midnight black finish that looks great in any kitchen. It's compact enough for small spaces and even has vertical storage capabilities to save counter space. The LED indicator lights let you know when the unit is powered on and preheated, which is a handy touch. The non-stick cooking plates make cleanup quick and easy, and the included digital cookbook adds extra value by inspiring you to try new recipes. While the Chefman doesn't reach the ultra-high temperatures of more specialized pizza ovens, it's an excellent option for those who want a versatile appliance for various cooking needs. At $44.99, it's only slightly more expensive than the Betty Crocker model, but the added versatility makes it a worthwhile investment. Its 5-year warranty is also a standout feature, offering peace of mind for long-term use. This is a great choice for families, students, or anyone who wants a multi-purpose appliance for quick and easy meals. In the runner-up spot, we have the Presto 03430 Pizzazz Plus rotating oven. This unique pizza maker stands out for its rotating design, which ensures even cooking on both the top and bottom. The dual heating elements are independently controlled, allowing you to adjust the heat for perfectly customized results. Whether you prefer a crispy crust or a gooey center, this machine gives you the flexibility to achieve your desired outcome. The build quality of the Presto Pizzazz Plus is solid, with a durable non-stick baking pan that's easy to remove and clean. Its compact design makes it a great option for smaller kitchens, and it's energy efficient, using up to 60% less energy compared to a conventional oven. The timer is another handy feature, as it automatically turns off the heating elements once the cooking time is up, preventing overcooking. At $84.04, the Presto Pizzazz Plus is a mid-range option that offers excellent value for its performance and versatility. It's perfect for pizza lovers who want consistent results without the hassle of preheating a full-sized oven. The only downside is that it doesn't reach the ultra-high temperatures of premium models, but for most users, the cooking performance is more than sufficient. This is a fantastic choice for families, casual cooks, and anyone looking for a reliable countertop pizza oven. Finally, taking the top spot is the Pizzano Crispy Crust Pizza Oven by Granitestone. This premium pizza maker is designed for true pizza enthusiasts who want pizzeria-quality results at home. It features a 12-inch ceramic stone that heats up to an impressive 800 degrees Fahrenheit, delivering perfectly crispy crusts and evenly cooked toppings in under 6 minutes. This high temperature is a game changer, as it replicates the conditions of traditional wood-fired ovens. The design of the Pizzano is both stylish and functional. It comes with a built-in thermometer display, adjustable top and bottom heat controls, and a sturdy build that feels premium. The included wooden pizza paddles and scraper are thoughtful additions that make it easy to handle your pizzas. The unit's compact size means it fits comfortably on most countertops, and its suction cups provide stability during use. At $99.59, this is the most expensive option on our list, but its performance justifies the price. The ability to reach such high temperatures sets it apart from other models, making it perfect for pizza aficionados who want the best possible results. The only minor drawback is the learning curve associated with controlling the high heat, but once you get the hang of it, the results are unbeatable. If you're serious about homemade pizza, the Pizzano Crispy Crust Pizza Oven is the one to get. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.